When people talk about rising prices, the conversation usually revolves around inflation. Over time, the cost of everyday things tends to increase. Most people have experienced this. Something that cost a certain amount a few years ago now costs noticeably more. But an interesting question often gets overlooked. If prices can go up so easily, why don't they come down just as often? At first glance, it might seem logical that prices should sometimes fall. If technology improves, production becomes more efficient, or competition increases, goods should become cheaper. And in some industries, that does happen. However, across the broader economy, prices rarely move downward for long. One major reason is inflation. Most modern economies are designed to maintain a small, steady level of inflation. Because of this, even when some costs fall, the overall price level in the economy usually continues to move upward. Another important factor is the cost structure of businesses. Companies face many ongoing expenses: wages, rent, energy, transportation, raw materials, and maintenance. Over time, many of these costs increase. Wages tend to rise as workers demand better pay, rent often increases as property values climb, and energy or logistics costs fluctuate with global conditions. When businesses adjust their prices upward to cover rising costs, those prices rarely return to their previous level because the underlying expenses usually remain higher. There is also something economists refer to as price stickiness. Prices do not adjust instantly or freely in both directions. Businesses are often reluctant to lower prices because it can affect their perceived value, profit margins, and long-term stability. If a company reduces prices too quickly, it might signal financial weakness or start a price war with competitors. Instead of lowering prices, businesses often make smaller adjustments behind the scenes. They may reduce product size, adjust service levels, or introduce slightly cheaper versions of products while keeping the official price similar. This allows companies to manage costs without visibly lowering the price tag. Another reason prices rarely fall is related to expectations in the economy. When businesses plan for the future, they assume that many costs will continue rising gradually. As a result, the entire economic system becomes built around the assumption that prices will move upward over time. If prices started falling across the entire economy, it could create a different and more dangerous problem known as deflation. Deflation occurs when the general level of prices consistently decreases. While cheaper goods may sound positive at first, deflation can create serious economic challenges. If people believe prices will continue falling, they may delay purchases in the hope of paying less later. When spending slows down, businesses see lower demand. Lower demand reduces revenue, which may force companies to cut jobs or reduce investment. There is also the influence of money supply. As economies grow, the amount of money circulating in the system usually increases as well. When more money is available while the supply of goods grows at a slower pace, prices naturally tend to rise over time. This gradual increase in the overall price level becomes part of how modern economies function. However, it's important to understand that while the overall level of prices rarely falls, individual prices can still move in both directions. Certain products become cheaper due to technological progress, improved manufacturing, or increased competition. In the end, prices rarely go down, not because it is impossible, but because multiple forces push in the opposite direction. Inflation, rising costs, business incentives, economic expectations, and the expansion of money in the system all create steady upward pressure. So while some products may occasionally become cheaper, the overall trend across the economy is clear.